What's up, everybody? This is Randy. I'm here in the kitchen at Brandy Wine Restaurant here in Woodland Hills, and today Mr. Chef Jean-Luc Rossoni is making Gravlax. Alright. Trimming up a fillet of salmon. That's a big side of salmon right there. Alright, so we got a little bit of salt.
Oh, just a little bit. A lot of salt.
A lot of salt.
Salt is a preservative. Cute.
Cover the entire fillet with that, right?
Yep. Sure, it's a nice coating. They cure for about 48 hours.
What kind of salmon is that? Is that Atlantic
It's
or?
a king salmon.
Okay.
Yeah, organic salmon. Yeah, from Alaska.
So this is Pacific salmon that we're using.
Okay. That. Add a little bit sugar.
How many cups is that?
Oh, it's not even cup. I just fill it up and I just put it right on top.
Ah, okay.
Okay. And I put like brown paper.
Oh yeah, lots of black pepper.
You have a mixture of sweetness and black pepper, salt, okay? And then I will put some fresh dill.
Fresh
laying
dill.
down,
Okay.
yeah, and then on top. Okay. Yes. Okay. And then I'm gonna cover it
With a cheesecloth.
with a cheesecloth. Make sure it's covered completely. Nice. And then I'm gonna use a mixture of vodka, rice vinegar, and lemon juice. I'm gonna pour right on top, soak in the salmon. Okay. Put it on top. And then what I do is I usually remove the excess of that, so press, make sure it goes inside. I put it back in there, and I do it again. So make sure it's soaked, it penetrate to the salmon, and then I'm going to put weight on it. So I'm going to put it on top. So yeah, I'll put weight and stick it for 48 hours in there. So that's it.
For 48 hours, and that's how you make Gravlax. All right.
Yeah. Got that. So I'm going to do the other one.
Just in case you guys missed the first one, we'll go ahead and report
First
on
one.
the second one.
So the second one,
This is in a cheesecloth,
same things.
Alaskan Pacific salmon with salt, lots of salt. Cover the fillet with salt.
Cover every corner. You know, and I'm sure in the mind of people, they're thinking, oh my God, it's going to be salty. And it appears to be salty, but it doesn't penetrate completely. It will just do what? It's not like smoked salmon. It's just called Gravlax. And it's a wonderful appetizer. You can serve with dill sauce. And then we give this to the customer when they come in as a little thing to eat before they get the meal. So I got all this cover.
Little appetizer, hors d'oeuvre.
Yeah, little amuse-gueule, we call it in French. You know, something to munch, you know, like you go to a Mexican restaurant, they give you tortilla and chips.
Right.
Well, that's kind of like, give you something, you know, to cut their appetite. It's on the house. They don't pay for that.
That's sugar he's putting on right now.
Nice little French baguette. And then I know salt. Okay.
Brown black pepper.
Brown black pepper. Okay, and then you get the dill.
Some dill.
I always say, what kind of dill is that, man? It's an expensive dill. Okay, you got all this covered pretty much. Again, you wrap it up. Do that. Push it down. And then just cover. That's it. Now you grab your lemon.
Now that's lemon
It's
and
got vodka,
vodka,
lemon, rice vinegar,
rice vinegar,
and that's it.
and that's it.
Again. Push it again down.
And then these will rest in the walk-in for 48 hours,
48
correct?
hours, and I put weight on the top. Press.
Weight on the top to press it down.
You push
Okay.
it down. Okay, so I put it together. I'm gonna get the weight. Get another tray.
Just as long as it's weighed down and pressed together.
That's it. Right here.
There we go.
Put some weight and wrap up. And then that's it. Got it. Press it down. Leave it there for 48 hours.
48 hours.
And it's done.
All right.